Okay, Granville Island. There's lots of thing going on here from public market, and you can buy some food and you can come out and eat on this kind of plaza. And also there's lots of birds, and I see under this bridge there's lots of cormorants. Looks like they are nesting right there. And there's also seagulls as well. And I'm going to try to take close-up pictures of them as well.
Definitely think about it. Yeah, it's a really nice time. We have lots of Harris hawks, but also eagles, falcons, owls.
The Harris hawks, they're not.
No, they're not actually found in Canada. You're exactly right.
Well, yeah, sometimes.
What kind of bird is?
A Harris hawk. Harris hawk.
Oh,
Type of raptor or bird of prey. Yeah, you really showed off your wings today. I know you're hopping around.
Wants to go though.
She's like, I'm ready to go.
I'm ready to go.
Let's do it. You can take pictures, yeah.
Sorry, I have a question. Can she fly?
Yes.
Okay.
So she's able to fly, chase off birds, and is trained to come back to us, usually for pieces of raw meat. That's her big reward. But right now she's on her leash. I know she's acting like she's ready to fly. She was flying earlier this morning.
Okay.
Already.
And then she comes back to you.
Yes.
She's trained for this.
Yeah.
And you found her when she was smaller?
She was born at our center.
Oh, okay.
She wasn't a wild bird.
Okay.
She grew up around humans to be able to do this type of work, so she's nice and comfortable working around people.
Yeah.
We also have worked at airports and landfills,
Oh,
so
wow.
she works in a lot of industrial sites. So yeah, she's done a lot of training around.
Amazing.
They're very smart birds.
Elle volait ce matin.
Granville Island, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Walkthrough is over, and we are back when we started this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay for the gallery of today's photo shoot. Milorad out from Granville Island, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Woo! Oh, Canada!